All right, this is an old piece of drain line from this building. Before we got the grease under control, you can see all this old buildup in these old cast iron drain lines. One of the things we do is we actually go into the kitchen and manually feed a lot of their drain lines, which has helped reduce this buildup with our Grease Be Gone and other products. So that way the outflow can get down into the grease trap and you know, forward into the lift station and not clog and cause floods in other areas. So if you're ever wondering why you treat an old cast iron line, well, all this old now dried up grease is one big reason.